If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Microsoft search bar in Word for Microsoft 365 appears in the middle of the title bar by default. However, if desired, you can also make it appear as a small magnifying glass button towards the right end of the title bar instead. Microsoft Search helps you find help, commands, and content. However, Microsoft Search is only available in Microsoft 365 for business plans, and the content it shows is set by your Microsoft 365 Search Administrator. To use Microsoft Search in Word for Microsoft 365, type a search term or phrase for what you want to do into the Microsoft search bar. As you type, a drop-down menu then appears below the bar. It shows related actions or commands, command locations, and other help suggestions. You may also see documents and Microsoft 365 colleagues appear in the search results depending on the search content allowed by your Microsoft 365 Search Administrator. You can click the suggested commands or select from the command locations to run them without needing to find them in the ribbon. You can click the Find in Document link to find matching results in the document using the Find feature in the navigation task pane. If your search term has related help content available, the help files appear in a Get Help section of the drop-down menu. You can click one of these help topics to open it in the Help pane, which is discussed in the next lesson titled Using Word Help. Note that when you first click into the Microsoft search bar, a drop-down menu of recently used actions and suggested actions appear in the two sections of the same names. The Recently Used Actions section lists the last few actions you selected, which makes it easier to select them again to repeat a function you often perform. The Suggested Actions section lists commands you may want to try using. If desired, to collapse the Microsoft search box down to just a magnifying glass icon, click the File tab in the ribbon. Then click the Options command at the left side of the Backstage view. In the Word Options dialog box that then opens, select the General command at the left side of the dialog box. Under the User Interface Options section to the right, then check the Collapse the Microsoft Search Box by Default checkbox. Then click the OK button at the bottom of the Word Options dialog box to apply the change. At that point, the Microsoft search bar appears as a magnifying glass icon towards the right end of the title bar. You can click this icon to then show the Microsoft search bar in its usual position. After using it, the Microsoft search bar then collapses back into the magnifying glass icon again. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.